Hello and welcome back to Some More Home, and today we are doing an ingredient deep dive of Polysorbate 80. So we will be exploring Polysorbate 80, which is a versatile solubilizer that is a must-have for any beginner DIY skincare enthusiast. What is Polysorbate 80? Polysorbate 80 is a non-ionic surfactant and emulsifier. It is pale yellow in color, and it is ideal for dispersing oils into water-based formulation. So how we would use this is in our toners and our body mist. So Polysorbate 80, just make sure it's an even distribution of the oils into the watery liquids, making sure that the oils and the waters do not separate. We can also use it in our cleansing oils and our balms. It allows the oil-based cleansers to emulsify upon contact with the water for just an easy rinse off. And then also in our bath products, so they're also in like bath bombs and bath salts, any type of scrubs to help the oil just kind of disperse in the water evenly, preventing it from floating on the surface and reducing any like slip hazards while you're in the water. So when incorporating your Polysorbate 80, we want to use a usage rate of between 1 and 20% of your total formulation. It is soluble in both water and oil, making it versatile for various formulations, like I said, for the body mist, the body sprays, room sprays, any bath products like sugar scrubs and bath bombs and bath salts and anything that's going to be coming in contact with the water. It's going to be great making sure that the oil and water disperses evenly, and then making sure also when you're using it in your formulas that you're not using too much, because it can impart just kind of like a sticky or tacky feel in your products, and you don't really want that on your products. You want it to have a more rinse off application or rinse off approach. So be mindful as you're using it in your ingredients and in your formulations. If you don't have Polysorbate 80, there are some substitutions. They're a little different, but you could use a Polysorbate 20 or in all of them 300. But I highly suggest when you're doing the formulations to be testing them out, because the feel could be a lot different than using the Polysorbate 80. Understanding Polysorbate 80 can really elevate your DIY skincare formulations, making sure that it is both effective and stable. So if you have found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more ingredient deep dives and tutorials, and then let me know in the comments how you are using Polysorbate 80. Until next time, happy crafting.